If you want to take a macro photo on POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is once you open the camera, let's say in the photo mode, we should be able to tap on this arrow that we have at the top of the screen, or you can swipe down to open this additional menu where we have super macro. And in here, as you can see, we are recommended to shoot, and let's see that again, at least 30 centimeters away from the object. So this is quite inconvenient to use. So in theory, if the situation is correct, of course, or if the situation allows us to apply the super macro, then of course it is useful. But what you can also do is you can simply take a little bit of a distance without the macro mode, the super macro mode, and you can just simply use the zoom over here. And as you can see, the quality can be pretty decent as well. Of course, you don't want to use too much zoom because it will drop the quality will be worse. But you should still be able to take pretty good shots of small subjects just like that. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.